No surrender.
I'm coming. One to the end.
It'll be one for our little evangelist back home.
Mish, this one's for you. The main supermarket on Zante appears to be Lidl, and we've been here nearly every day this week.
Correction, not nearly, actually every day. Every day surprise pastry.
Never fear, follow every dream when clouds appear.
Making the most of our final full day, and it's raining, unfortunately. Well, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. But we found Zakynthos Castle purely by chance. We were down at the ports eating our little pasties, and I thought, why don't we drive up to the highest point and see what's there? And here we are. We found Zakynthos Castle, which is a bit like their old Sarum for us Salisbury folk. It looks old.
So legs up like
Do you
that.
promise not to kick Daddy's trousers?
Do it off by heart now, please.
This is just incredible driving down here. It's like we're on a pavement, driving between the houses. There's somebody's orange tree. There's a massive olive tree there, look. This is just ridiculous.
And this is a road. Just a normal road.
There's a proper orange grove in there. Somebody's garden there. Oh my word.
Oh, am I in the way?
Yeah. Just a bit.
Did you enjoy that, girls?
Yeah.
Was that good?
The castle was great.
Not bad for a wet day. Sleep asleep.
Hold on to Daddy's hand with your...
Girls, what are we doing?
Going swimming in the rain. Going swimming in the rain.
Because it's our last day and we refuse to give in. Come on, Mummy.
That's like the sea, Dad.
Is it cold?
Listen, we need to go to the beach.
Hey.
No.
Hey.
No, Chris, no.